If you want to enable the monochrome theme on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we have to scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper and Style. We're gonna swipe from the lock screen to the home screen over here, and then swipe up from the bottom to reveal this section. First, we're gonna go to Colors, and then in here you have the option to choose this white, gray, and dark color palette in here. You can also go to other colors to find it in this space as well. This allows you to have pretty much only white and dark colors on the menus, on different menus. But besides that, what you can also do is you can go to icons, and then you can enable themed icons, and of course we can apply our changes. And now, as you can see, at least on the home screen, we have different looking icons. They are just white and dark. Unfortunately, this does not apply to the app drawer, but at least our home screen can have this monochrome theme applied. Leave a like and subscribe.